Please, I want to show you how the Adobe Spark post work and the overview of that app. So you open it. That's what I have here. So click on it to open. Now this one can be used to design anything. It can design flyers, posters, book covers, and any design. You can use this app to do that. Okay, so you can use the Spark post for animation, and so you can see animation here. And let's go to design work. So you click on the plus sign, click on it. Okay, so these are actually backgrounds that you can use for your design. If it is a poster or flyer, you can use any of these backgrounds. If it is a book cover, you can use any of these backgrounds. You have a lot of them. There are a lot. Okay, so these particular ones are fog. That's the name we have here. Now, if you need different backgrounds, you just delete this and type the kind of background that you need. So if it's about nature, you type nature, and it will display nature background. So all these are nature. Okay, so anything that you type will give you pictures, cars, flowers, anything, computers, you will get them. So you just scroll and then select any nice background that you want. You can also select your picture from here. If you want to use your picture or a picture from your gallery, you can use that. These are the backgrounds that the app comes with. So gallery, then you can import any picture. Now let's go and choose some from the app. So come here. Okay, so these are lake backgrounds. So you just go through and select anyone that you want. Okay, so I want to use this one for my design. Let's say I want to design a book cover. You can actually use two or more. You can select two or more. So if you want 5 of these to be at the background, you can select them. So I've selected one. I can add this one. I can also add the deer over here. So when I add all these, then they are all going to appear on the same background. So you can add 3, but let's take only one. Let's deselect and take only one. So you click on add. So we are adding only one background. Okay, so add. Okay, that's what we have here. Now you can adjust it and place it at where you want it to be. So then you can change the size over here, the image size. This is original. So when you click on original, it is like this. This is Instagram, and then we have this one. So if you want something like this, you select it, and then you can adjust the image. Let's take this one and see. Okay, so the Pinterest. Okay, let's take something like this for our background. So, and you're okay with it. You can also move it and take this part of the background, but I want where the people are. Good. Now you come to done. When you get your background, you click on done from the top, done, and it will import it. Now double tap to edit text. So you just click on it, and then click on edit from here. So you click on edit. So you put your text there. So if it's book cover, you put the title of the book. What should the title? The power, the next line of love. Then click on this. So that's what we have. You move it up. You make sure you place it at the center. So the line there will guide you. The line there, the pink line there will guide you to place your text at the center. Okay, so that is it. Now we don't want it to be in that shape. You can see the text is in a shape. We don't want it. So let's come to shape. Click on shape. Then you click on this. Okay, so that is it. You can change the color. You can change the color of the text. You can also increase the size. So you just hold one corner and then drag it to increase the size. You can hold the corners to resize it. Okay. So you can also apply these shapes. You have these shapes. You can apply them for the text. But I don't need any of them, so I'll click on this. Then let's take the features one by one. We have color. So we can give it a color, text color. So we have all these ones are colors. So select the one that will match your work color. Okay, so let's take this one. Let's increase it. Okay. Then when we're done with the color, you click on done from here. All right. Now let's insert text. So we come to add, written by Joe Akufu. So add text. So, written by Akufu Joe. Done. So I'll move this one down. Now you can let's remove the Adobe Spark watermark here. It shouldn't be there. So click on it. Click on that watermark. When you click on remove logo on this project, so click on it. Now that it is gone. The written by Akufu Joe. Let us edit it. You can give it a color. So come to color and then give it a color. Well, let's take this color and see. Okay, white color is okay. Then we can come to font. You have a lot of font style here. So select any one you want, any nice one. Okay. Then we come to shape. Okay, we have talked about this one. So effects. You can apply these things. Yeah, effects. If you don't need any of the effects, click on this none. Okay. Then come to size. The size is also like this. You can increase and then reduce. So let us adjust it well. Okay. Then order. The order. Let's leave the order. Then adjust. You can use this to also move it slowly. Then done. Align. So we have this. Align left, center, align right. You can also apply this one. So let us select center. Then opacity. If you reduce it, this is what you're going to see. So opacity. Spacing. So line. Let's reduce the line spacing. Okay, so this is okay. Let's move it down. Okay. So when you're done, click on done. Done. You can apply these features to the title too. Okay. When we come to colors, I think we have not talked about colors as background colors. So you can apply any of these colors. You have a lot of them. So just apply them. Okay, so let's go to the first one. Okay, then done. Then we have layout. Layout is here. So the first one is this, then the second one is also like this. You can adjust. Okay, let's go to the next one. This is the next one. So it's going to align your work for you. Then you have this. You can move the background and place it how you want it to be. So you also have this. Okay, so you can be applying these ones to select the best ones. Okay, so let's go back. you don't need to cancel it, and then you move on. Then animation, we're not doing animation, but you can also, if you want it to be in a video form, then you click animation. So this is going to be, when you select this one, this is what you have. And this one is also like this. So we have a lot of the animations. Okay, so these are, you can also do animation for the picture. So you click on photo, then you select any of these, then you can see the effect from the picture, and these are the animation. Then we have blur. So this is the blur. I don't need this one, so let's cancel it. Then we come to what again? The resize. Okay, we resize. Okay. So let's come to add. You can add your own images. If you want to type anything on it, click on the text, then you type. Then image, click on image. You can insert any of the images here. You can insert any of them over here. So just click on it. Click on the image. Then you come here, add. Click on add. Add to collage, free, move freely. So let us click on move freely. Let's see. So that is it. You can adjust it. Have something like this. You can set something like this. Okay, then you can edit this. You can edit this. We have the order. So you can, okay, the order is not taking any effect. Then adjust. You can resize it. Resize. Okay. Then looks. So we have looks. The image that you inserted, we have looks for it. So this one looks like the background. So this one will be okay. So something like this. You just click on it, then you select the one you want. Okay. Enhance. So you can increase the brightness and then all those things. So these are for you. Just have to explore the opacity. You can reduce it. That's opacity. Okay. Okay. So add. We have icons. The icons will display a lot of shapes. We have a lot of shapes. A lot of them. So just scroll to select the shape you want to use for your design. These are party, but if you need different shape, you just put it there, the name of the shape there. So let's say circles. Circle. And you wait. We're going to display different shapes for you. Then a square or rectangle or star. Let's just we have different types of them. So you just have to click and then add. Just have to click and add. See, rectangle. Okay, so we have a lot of rectangular shapes here. So click on it and then you insert. Click and insert, that's all. Then you click on add. So you can place it at where you want it to be. You can also do the same editing. You can do editing for that. So you can copy it, duplicate, click on duplicate to copy. Okay. Just cover. So you just have to, it's a nice app. You can do so many things with it. If it's a flyer, you can do that. So let's see. Let's take a new one. Now to save your work, you just click here. At the top here, you see the save button. So click on save. So preparing your posts. Okay, so image saved. So it has been saved for us. Okay, now let's see, to design from the scratch, let's just clear this one. Let's clear this. Then we come to the plus sign. And the plus sign. Now we want to design from the scratch. We don't need any background from here. So click on solid color. Solid color. Then you select the color for your, if white, then you click on white. Then click on next. Click on next. Then you select the image size. Image size. So let's pick the Pinterest. Okay. Done. Then click on done from the top. Okay. So I can even give it a color from here. I can give it a color from here. So you only click on colors from here. Then double tap to edit text. You click on it, then edit. Then start putting your text there. Okay. So you can do your own design. You can add shapes. You can add shapes. Sorry, these are images. You can add images to then shapes. Go for icons. Put in a shape there. Then add. Okay, so you can place it, position it. That's where you want it to be. I can give it a color or copy it. So let's see, duplicate. So select multiple, duplicate. So that's a duplicate. Let's give this one a different color. Okay. Then to move it behind the other one, let's see, let's go to order. So that's the order. So move it back. Okay, so order. So you can actually, design the background and get your nice flyer. So you just have to remove the watermark too. So click on it, then click on remove logo from this project. So these are for you. It's a nice app. Thank you very much. I don't want the video to be long. Downloading will be a problem. So end here. Then based on this, you also do more with it. Thank you very much.